the anti-Duterte propagandist. So alam ko na kung ano yung bias mo, di ba? May bias ka na rito eh. Oo. Okay, likely funded by drug cartels, terrorists, corrupt politicians, greedy oligarchs, and narco-politicians are desperately trying to manipulate the global narrative. What did you get the information about that, Mr. Chair?
Pwede na po akong...
Go ahead. Sige.
Yes, Mr. Chair, pwede na po akong sumagot?
Yes.
Okay. Doon po sa mga nauna niyo pong tanong, kung saan, ang sabi ko nga po ay hoax. Ang pinagbabasehan ko po doon ay yung mga naglalabasan ngayon na panibagong impormasyon, kita naman po ito sa social media, ano po, kung saan yung mga napabilang na EJK, yung mga nagpakita ng picture ng mga anak nila na namatay daw sa EJK, actually ay hindi po connected sa EJK. At yung iba po ay buhay na buhay naman po. That's why, ang sabi ko nga ay hoax dahil yung mga pinakita ng mga nagrarally at pinapakita nila na namatay sa EJK ay hindi naman po patay.
Mr. Chair, nag-a-attend ba kayo ng Quadcom hearing? Mr. Chair? Nag-a-attend ba kayo ng Quadcom hearing? Yung mga biktima ng EJK ay nandoon at nagkaroon pa sila ng prayer rally, Mr. Chair. Nag-attend ba kayo ng Quadcom hearing?
Okay. Mr. Chair, okay, salamat po at pagkakataong sumagot. Yes, nakapanood na po ako ng Quadcom at napanood ko rin po yung mga latest na ganap ngayon kung saan may isang Aling Sheila, Aling Lori, Aling another mother, kung saan yun po yung mga anak nilang pinapakitang namatay sa EJK ay hindi naman po. Doon po yun po yung pinanggagalingan ng aking isinulat na opinyon. Yun po ay reaksyon at opinyon sa mga nabalitaan ko po sa social media. At sa mga news online. Again, those are my personal reaction and opinion on the current events.
Mr. Chair, ang hirap nun, makakabalita ka ng anuman, tapos you're going to put up an opinion, and you want to let the people believe it's the truth. Yun ang problema dyan eh. Facts. Then, sinabi mo, they want you to believe that every young life lost was at the hands of our people's president, Rody Duterte. This is a blatant lie.
That is my... pwede na pong sumagot, Your Honor?
Yes, go ahead. Sige, go ahead.
Again, that is my truth. Those are my opinion. And nakabase naman din po yan sa mga available information. Ngayon, makikita po natin na yun nga po, may mga EJK victims nga raw na hindi naman pala. Yun nga po, sabi, yung raw po, I'm referring...
You have no right to say it's a massive hoax.
Mr. Chairman, with the indulgence of Chairman.
Yes, Mr.
Ma'am, yung sinasabi mong mga facts ngayon na lumalabas, is it an official document coming from those investigation by government agencies, by Quadcom, or just a mere in the social media accounts?
Sir, Your Honor, if I'm not mistaken, nasa newspaper na rin po yan.
Sandali po. Nasa newspaper. Pero ang tinatanong ko po, anong source ng newspaper? Is it an official document or findings of the Human Rights Commission? Absolutely, ma'am.
Yes,
Madam, absolutely not. Because during our hearing, the Quadcom, all those victims, yung mga families na nandun, was confirmed by Human Rights Commission.
Okay, Your Honor.
In fact, we have all the list.
Your Honor, can I also answer now, kung pwede po?
Okay.
Lumabas po na may mga kapatid, yung mga biktima, na sila po mismo ang nagdi-deny doon sa mga
Mr. Chair,
ibinabalita ngayon
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
Mr.
Mr.
Chair,
Chairman.
I'd like to interject for a while here, while you're answering. Ang binabanggit mo, may nabalitaan ka? May nabalitaan ka? Oh, I mean, my goodness, if you would like to be a resource person here in this committee, kinakailangan meron kang basis, meron kang tunay na basis, meron kang dokumento na masasabi. Sapagkat, Luca, ang Commission on Human Rights, for example, nag-imbestiga ng EJK at maraming nakita. Kami, in my Committee of Human Rights, marami kaming nakita. Oo. Samantalang ikaw, sinasabi mo, massive hoax ito. Wag naman, Mr. Chair. Oh, gusto kong maniwala sa statement mo kanina. Pero ngayon, itong statement na ito, hindi na maganda eh. Oh, nagsabi ka pa ng facts. Some of these so-called victims died years before or after Duterte's presidency. Where'd you get the information?
Nasa balita po, Your Honor. Yung iba po ay namatay ngayong last year lang po,
Madam,
2024.
Mr. Chairman,
Opo.
Madam, sa Quadcom po, sa hearing namin, at it was confirmed by Human Rights Commission, lahat po na nakalista doon, under our records, was confirmed by Human Rights Commission. Wala po doon yung prior and after
Wait, po, sa akin.
ng Duterte's administration. And, Mr. Chairman, kindly, let me just remind that, sir, is he your counsel?
No, sir.
Oh.
From the House of Representatives po siya.
From the House?
Nagpapapirma po. Sabi ko mamaya na kasi busy pa po tayo.
Anyway, madam,
Apo.
ma'am,
Yes,
wala
Your
po
Honor.
eh. Now you're talking about those mga disclaimer ng family. Now, ang tanong ko po, is it documented, under oath? Do you have a document for that? Or just a mere media reports?
Alin po, sir, yung tinatanong po ninyong documented or
Hindi,
media reports?
sinasabi mo na may mga families of victims na dininay, na-refute yung claims.
Posted po ng mga
Ayun nga
kamag-anak
problema,
nila, and
posted
then,
sa social
opo,
media.
and
Ang sinasabi ko, madam, baseless yan kasi based on our investigation, and unless otherwise, you can have a document under oath that indeed a certain family of victims clarified and dispute that data.
Okay po, Your Honor, noted po. Next
noted?
time. Yeah, noted
Anong
po
noted?
noted po na,
Tinatanong po kita kung may dokumento ka bang hawak, wala.
tulad po ng sagot ko kanina,
Hindi,
Your
sandali,
Honor.
you answer my question, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, I'm trying to answer, Your Honor.
Sandali po.
Apo.
Yes or no? Do you have the document? Under oath?
Sir, like I said,
Andale, yes or no? Remember, I am just asking you if you have the document or not under oath.
of the family who
Yeah.
reported?
Yeah.
None, sir.
Oh, none.
It's
Oh.
on the, like I said, it's a...
So none. You don't have.
Okay, sir. Next time po,
What's
kukuha
next
po muna,
time?
next time po, bago po tayo magsulat ng mga ganon, kailangan kumuha po muna tayo ng mga dokumento under oath.